Here in a little town called Coos Bay, Oregon, at the local skate park.
AOT Pet, what's on deck?
It's a lot of wood, my friend. Skating around the town of North Bend. Pretty cool town. Back on the road, I got my hot sauce collection. Here in a little town called Reedsport. The board was already waterlogged, but I'm convinced I just pulled up on the coolest skate park. Oh, there goes my board. How cool is that? I'm not really too sure how to skate this thing. Are you kidding me? This looks so interesting. It's a really cool town, Florence. I need some local seafood. Another town, another skate park. Well, I went skateboarding for like 5-10 minutes and busted my really hurt my arm badly. And I just want to be young forever, man. Oh, I think I should probably go get some ice tonight because my arm is like pretty badly hurt. I can't even pick up my phone with my left hand, so I'm hoping my arm feels better in the morning. My elbow is what really hurts, and I don't have any sort of a sling or anything, so I'm gonna brave this one out, try to sleep tonight. I'm gonna go grab some dinner right now, and I'm hoping I feel better in the morning. Well, I just woke up here in the back of the van. It's currently raining really hard still. First things first, gotta make the bed. My arm. All right, the bed is somewhat made. Today is day number 2. I'm here at McDonald's and I'm still in a lot of pain. And I think I need to go to the hospital, which sucks. I really hope it's not broken. Trying to drive with my left hand. Oh, I can't do this, hold up. I'm really hoping I didn't break this elbow. Here at the walk-in clinic has reached their patient capacity, so I'm gonna go across the street to the emergency room. I gotta grow up. I need to realize that I'm not 17 years old anymore and my body can't really take this kind of dumb treatment, so. It's gonna take about 30 or 45 minutes, but I found an x-ray. Oh, something's hurt bad.
We should be laughing about it,
I know, we shouldn't be laughing about it, but it's okay.
I'm laughing though. Okay. Sorry.
Oh.
Last one.
Ooh.
You're like.
Okay.
Oh.
I knew something was wrong.
Alright, and lean your torso back.
Oh.
Thumb up. You're doing good. We're almost done.
My thumb is up, but I am not a happy camper. Jeez, Mom.
Torture's over.
Torture's over. Good time. The nurse told me, welcome to Florence. Thank you for the warm welcome, ma'am. Your skate park is beautiful. And I had the place all to myself when this happened.
I think that'll work.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where will you get this taken off? Well, you'll be following up with ortho, all right?
Okay, when will that be?
Well, they'll call you in probably 3 or 4 days, you know.
Okay. Well, I'm road tripping right now, so I'm planning on leaving this town tonight. And,
Oh, you're not from here?
No, I don't even know where I'm sleeping tonight right now, so. Recommend any good seafood?
Either go to the Beachcomber or the Bridgewater for fish and chips.
Not a good time. After sitting in the emergency room literally all day today, I broke my elbow. I feel so stupid. Some fish and chips. It's the least I can do to treat myself. Eating with one hand sucks. Clean clothes. It has now been officially 2 days since the accident. Now today I'm kind of torn with the decision. Either I shower up and get my laundry done and continue on this journey of mine with a broken elbow, or I go home. I'm still here in the little town of Florence where the skate park was, and there's one more thing here in this town that I want to do before I leave called the Sea Lion Caves. I'm not really too sure if the Sea Lion Caves is going to be my last major stop of this road trip. I had about 2 more months planned of driving. I was going to hit Glacier National Park, Canada, British Columbia, Whistler, but I'm not too sure if I want to drive up there if I'm not going to be able to fully enjoy it now, so. If you guys have noticed, I've been wearing the same clothes now for probably 5 or 6 days. Today I'm gonna take a shower, clean myself up, clean the van up. I'm gonna see just how hard it is to shower with one hand and be out here on my own with one hand. I thought getting around the van was hard enough already with two hands. You guys can't imagine how hard it is to live in this little thing with one arm. I think it might be my time to head home. Thank you, thank you.
So you sleeping in your van? Or?
Been sleeping in it, yeah, I'm about 150 days in it. Yeah.
So you're taking a year off or something?
I'm taking about 8 months off, and I actually just broke my elbow yesterday, so everything's a little bit harder now.
Just you in there? Do you have
just me in it.
Wow.
Yeah, I've been stopping and visiting friends every couple weeks along the way, different cities. I make YouTube videos, so.
What's your channel?
T-Peck, T-P-E-C-K, T-Peck.
Oh.
Where I make my videos in the daytime, it's a desk. And then at nighttime, the whole desk flips into a bed.
Wow, I've heard about this, seen a few examples of it.
Yeah, nothing this small, right?
No, it's usually a full-size van.
I'm pretty stealthy in this thing. Have a good one. A couple of really cool guys on motorcycles. Today it stopped raining, so we're gonna go to a place called the Sea Lion Caves. Also coming to the realization right now that I can't film and drive anymore, so I'm gonna have to pull off whenever I wanna get a clip. Just hopped out of my car here at the Seal Caves, and immediately I'm overwhelmed with the smell of seal poop. I'm so excited. I hope there's thousands of seals. Let it also be known that seals/sea lions are my favorite animal and have been for 5 years. This is what I imagine heaven to look like. There's so many of them. Today's a good day. I get to look at seals all day, so I hope you guys are enjoying this one. And we're gonna head down into the caves now. Thank you.
Yeah.
I've made it. Beautiful creatures, however, they smell horrible. Found a waterfall. The Oregon coastline. The girl in the elevator just told me it's 20 stories down. From breaking my elbow to thousands of seals, this week has literally just been unbelievable. If you guys like this episode, drop me a like and a comment below. I hope you're following along, and I'll see you guys next week. Have a good one.